Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to switch a TikTok account from public to private. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to switch your account, all you want to do is head to TikTok, then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're at this page, you can then select the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're at the settings page, you'll see many different options, but you want to go to Privacy underneath Account. Once you're at the Privacy tab, you can then turn on Private Account. So when you do this, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So if you turn this on, right now I have a business account, so whenever I do this, it says accounts cannot be set as private. If you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. So if you had a business account, it might mess it up even more, but if it's just a personal account, you shouldn't have to worry about that. But if you want to switch it, go ahead and switch anyway, and you'll then have a private account on TikTok. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.